back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. I'm going to do my hair, my makeup, and show you guys the outfit that I'm going to be wearing. I'm headed out to run some errands, you know, Ulta, Target, and of course you gotta go somewhere to eat. So that's what I'm doing today, and I'm going to let you guys watch me get ready. The hair I'm going to be installing today is from Beauty Forever Hair. I have a V-part wig. It's 14 inches and it is straight hair. Here is the wig that I'm going to be applying. I already washed it. I'll put like the shampoo and conditioner that I used, and this is just how it dried in this like wavy state, but I'm going to straighten it. I'm not sure if I want to cut it or not yet. I'm going to apply it first and then we'll see, but I'm hoping that this install will be better than my first V-part wig install, because my first one was a little shaky because I had a lot of new growth. I didn't have a fresh relaxer. I have a fresh relaxer now, and my hair has grown out a little bit since then, so I'm excited to see how this turns out. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with blow drying my hair first. I did let my hair air dry, but I'm gonna blow it out some more so it can be a little bit straighter, and then of course I'm gonna straighten the leave out. I'm gonna start off with spraying my hair with this Kenra Platinum blow dry spray. This is a heat protectant, and this will be my heat protectant for straightening my hair as well. A middle part. So what I'm gonna do is take a super small section in the front and leave it out, because with the V-part wigs you can do minimal leave out, so you don't have to leave a lot out at all, which is perfect if you're trying to like grow your hair or anything like that. You don't have to put a lot of heat on all of your hair. So I'm gonna leave out a super thin portion of hair in the front, and then the rest is gonna go into a slick ponytail. I don't know if I want to leave this section out or not. I'm kind of leaning towards not leaving it out. I think it would be cute to do like maybe some side baby hairs, but I'll leave it out for now, because I feel like I can always go back and like push it back behind the wig. So we're gonna leave that out and put the rest in a ponytail. The wig straightened now, and you see how nice and silky it is, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. It has two clips right where the V part is, then it has these little clasps. I don't think I'm gonna use those at all, and then it has where you can tighten it in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it in the back and then work on putting the clips on my hair. and you can see it's not going anywhere. It's really, really secure, which is perfect. I could move up the clips just a little bit, but I think I'm gonna leave it like it is. The leave out should cover that part up. It should be fine. Satisfied with how this turned out. I think this is safe enough for me to go out in public with. The leave outs, as you guys can see, like it's not the best, so that's why I decided to do like this little behind the ear method. And it's a good thing I left out the hair on the side so I could do the baby hairs. I think that really pulls it together. And I'm sort of torn on like trimming the ends. I think I might leave it like this, or should I trim it? Because I don't know, it's just like a weird length, like 14 inches. It's kind of a weird length, but maybe we'll leave it like this. Maybe we'll also went in with a wax stick to try to blend it, and which it kind of did help a little bit when I put the wax stick on my hair. And then for my edges, of course, I used my green Eco Styler. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup to bring the whole look together. The makeup look I'm doing is gonna be super, super simple, straight to the point. So I'm not gonna talk through it, I'm just gonna speed through it, and then all of the information for the makeup that I'm using will be linked down in the description box. Alright, so here is the hair, the makeup, and outfit of the day. The whole outfit, including the bracelets, are from Shein. I also have these super cute platform flip-flops that I'll be wearing. And yeah, that's it. Make sure you check out Beauty Forever Hair for this V-part wig. All the information for it will be down in the description box, and also all of my outfit information will be down in the description box as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video.